The tales of, well, Sniffles, because I'm a bit sniffly today, so I'm going to call this horse Sniffles, and hopefully he'll be with me for the rest of this, like, series or episode, or whatever it becomes. But this episode, what we're going to try to do is try and get over to there, to find out who he is, and, yeah. But it's going to be adventurous, because there's going to be stuff on the way, I can guarantee. So, yeah. Let's go. Okay, now no, don't fall off a cliff, Sniffles. So basically, I haven't done this for a while. Well done, Sniffle. No, Sniffles. 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 Horse eyes. Hello, horsey. Any horsey? Come on. You know you want a horse. Is that a horse? No, wait, what? That's a zombie. Horse! Your name is Sniffles 2.5. Let's go. Okay, Sniffles 2.5 is here and he's ready to be burning and stuff. So yeah. We're on our way. Yeah, don't run into a rock. After you have to what? No. Sniffles 2.5, Sniffles. Cool Sniffles. I wanna take a selfie. Take a selfie.
First, let me take a selfie.
Alright, I think we can come out of that. Snap out of it, boy. Alright, so I've already gone the wrong way. Well done. Sniffles 2.5, you broke me. Alright, I think we'll go on the railway. No, God. I just can't. Railroad, there you go. I have a feeling that it's probably not the best way to go through this, but I don't want to save any. But, oh, God. No, I'm not gonna. I can't be bothered to do this right now, honestly. Go away. I don't want to save this town. I've already saved too many. Okay, let's make it more interesting. I want to go somewhere where a horse is, because there's a horse. So I'm going to go there. It's interesting. I tell you. Horse? Another horse. I call you Sniffles 3.5. Come on. Sniffles 3.5. Whoa. Sniffles, come back. No, you're eaten. I don't want you. I'm going to attempt to do a stunt with a horse. Although I don't know what stunt I can do. I'll drive it off a cliff. How about that? Nope. Mythical creature. Whoa. Flaming horse. Flaming horse. No, 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 no. Let me ride you. Let me ride you. Flaming horse. Oh, yes. No. Flaming horse.